Good morning. Welcome to Pete's Garage. It's been a little bit. I took a weekend off last weekend and went wheeling. The Jeeps are fun. But today I'm going to be working on the pickup truck a little bit. One of the problems that I have while I'm towing is that the brakes are kind of spongy. And when you're flat towing, that's never a fun thing. The brake system, you can see it there. This is a 88 and it has the ancient old anti-lock brake system, which is problematic at best, and in mine is not functioning at all. And so I disabled the computer, but the brakes are still spongy because the diverter valve is still there. And so today I'm going to correct that problem and take it all out. And then I'm going to put new shocks on the truck and just kind of generally go through the front suspension and make sure everything's tight. So, on to it. All right, well, job done. We replaced, or actually removed, the ABS module from the truck, and now the brakes work amazingly well. Before, they didn't work hardly at all, and you had to double pump the pedal just to get any brake feel at all, and it was challenging to stop. So now the brakes work just like they're supposed to. We've got it coming straight off the proportioning valve, and when you stomp on the brakes, the truck stops with good pedal. So that's one down. So I've been having an issue where the steering feels kind of loose and wandering, and I decided to investigate and find out why. I know why. That idler arm is wasted.